Hello, I'm Dom Tablate. I work with UST for 8 years now, and I just attended the Servant Leadership Workshop here in Hinton, Manila. I currently work for UST as a HR production support lead of a retail account that work from USA. So, my key impressions for this Servant Leadership Workshop is that I find it so very interactive, concise, and very informative at the same time. I really like the part that the presenters have used multiple different approach in presenting their topics, mainly the use of Menti.com, and then having group debates and group activities, not just through words but also being graphical on the facts that they have discussed. Then, for my key takeaways from the Servant Leadership Workshop is that after taking this workshop, I have found the leadership definition that I certainly believe on. That leadership is influence, and considering this takeaway, I plan to implement it in my team and hoping to be more empathetic leader and soon to be a servant leader. Thank you, Dr. Madana, for this workshop.